Hello, in today's video I'm going to catfish strangers on Omegle to do my makeup. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Let's begin.
Twenty minutes later.
I'm gonna ask this person, where do you shop from? If they answer as Amazon, then I'm going to use my primer from Maybelline. I'm going to use this Master Prime from Maybelline. And if they answer with Walmart, then I'm gonna skip on primer. Okay, it's do or die. Do you want to see my pics? Do you want to chat? Do you want to press your body against mine? So I'm using this primer on my pores. These are literally 15-year-old, 17-year-old looking for some action. Okay, you're at the wrong place, child. You should be at school, honey. You are at the wrong place. You should be at school, learning table of two. Okay, I'm just gonna ask this dumbass. Well, what do I ask him? I'm gonna ask this person that, do you like Kim, Kylie, or Courtney? If he says Kim, I'm going to use this Miss Claire's. If he says Kylie, I'm going to use my Revolution palette. And if he says Courtney, I'm going to use these blush nudes. Kylie, I guess. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. I'm going to use the Revolution palette. Now I'm going to ask this dumbass to pick like any number from 1 to 36. 25. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh wow, it's a neutral shade. Nice choice, boy. The 25th shade over here is My Precious. I'm done with the outer crease. I'm just looking for someone else to answer my questions. Okay. Why are you disconnecting on me? What did I do to you? Oh, I hate it. This person is gonna disconnect on me, I just know. I said that. I'll press your body against some hot oven and you will stick over there forever, okay? I never had so much fun. What happens with number? What happens with the number, Patricia? 32. Okay, thank you. I'm going to use this shade this person chose, that is hubby's favorite, on the 25. I think he chose 32, right? 32. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna pick up some new people again. I don't want to have fun with you. Shut up. If he answers with AM, I'm going to do a cut crease in the inner corner, and if he says PM, I'm going to do a halo cut crease in the middle. So I'm going to ask another person now for which shade I should put in between, like the cut crease that I just made right now in the halo. So I'm gonna ask. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, it's going to ruin it. Oh, just get ready. So I'm going to ask this person which number from 1 to 36, and that shade is going to go on the underline, the waterline of my eyes. Okay, just choose a better number. 17. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 17. Oh shit. The next number they are going to choose is gonna go in the inner corner of my eye. 19. Okay, good. Okay, so it's birthday girl, and this one is going to go in my inner corners. Thank you, kind sir, whatever your name is. The person chooses pink. I'm going to go and do my eyeliner. And if this person chooses yellow, I'm just going to go with mascara. For the blush, I have two options. This one over here has a shiny touch to it. This one is completely matte, so I'm just gonna ask shine or no shine. I have two lip liners over here. One is from Miss Claire's in the shade Sandy Mauve. This is more like a nude lip liner and stuff, and this one is more like a red, deep red maroon lip liner from Color Essence. Choose Taylor or Beyonce. If this person is going to choose Taylor, I'm going to go with the Miss Claire's ones. If this person chooses Beyonce, I'm going to go with Color Essence. This one is going to be Jeffrey, this one is going to be Shane, and this one is going to be James. Okay, this person chose Jeffrey. This one from Nika, it is 21M Caramel Mocha. Oh wow, it looks good. So I'm guessing this is the final look. We are done with pretty much everything, blush and stuff. Thank you, kind people of Omegle. If you are watching this video right now, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.